Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make a Snickers cheesecake. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing we're going to do is prepare our actual base. So what I've got in front of me here is 2.5 cups of chocolate cookies which I've just crumbed up. Now you can use other flavours if you like, up to you. And to this we're just going to add 1/4 cup of melted butter. And just using a spoon, we just want to mix all that together. So once that's combined, we're going to bring across a springform tin. I've just lined the line with some baking paper, just makes it easy to take out. And all we're going to do is pour our cookie crumbs straight in. We just want to evenly spread that out. Once you've got it spread out evenly, you want to start to put some pressure on the spoon, just so it sits in place. Alright, and as you can see it's nice and dense now. So what we need to do is put this into the fridge for at least half an hour while we start working on the actual mixture. Alright, so just into my food processor I've got 750 grams of cream cheese. To this we're going to add 1 cup of icing sugar, along with 1 heaped tablespoon of brown sugar, about 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, now this is unsweetened, and to give it some heavy nuttiness, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. And this is just a smooth one, not crunchy. Now for the filling part, I'm also going to add in 2 chopped up Snickers bars. And we're going to save another 2 to actually put on top. So put the lid on, and we just want to process this. Now you'll most likely have to stop and start this a couple of times, just because we need to scrape the sides and get it all mixed back together. Okay, so after a couple of minutes you should be left with a nice creamy mixture like so. So what we're going to do now is bring back our tin and we're going to pour this into it. So we'll just go ahead and pour our mixture straight on. And make sure you get it all out. You don't want any wastage of this goodness. And we're going to begin by just spreading it out. Now you want to try and push down as well because you want to fill all those air gaps. And we'll just go over it with a wet spoon just to flatten it out. So what I'm going to do now is add in about 2 chopped up Snickers bars. Now these are just the full size ones. You can use more if you want, but you don't want to make this too rich. And to finish this off, I'm just going to top it off with some shaved chocolate as well. And there we have it. So what we're going to do now is just cover it with some cling wrap. And you want to place this straight into the fridge overnight. Now if you are in a rush to serve it, that's fine. Just put it into the freezer. Leave it in the freezer for around an hour to 2 hours. And that should be fine to serve. But if you're doing it my way, we'll come back tomorrow. Alright, so it's the next day. So what we're going to do, carefully release our springform tin. And be very gentle, just so it doesn't stick. And just give it a quick shake to release it. Carefully take it off. And just have a look at how beautiful that looks. And of course I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside. So get a very sharp knife and just cut straight into it. Now what I like to do when I serve cakes is first mark everywhere that it needs to be sliced. So I just start with quarters. This ensures even slices, especially when you're in the restaurant industry. And we'll just go through the middle here. So this is going to be an 8 slice cake. Just place the knife underneath and carefully lift that slice up. And just have a look at that. How beautiful is that? All I can say is too bad I'm on a diet. So guys, that's all there is to it. That's how we make a no-bake Snickers cheesecake. Now as for storage, keep this in the fridge obviously. I wouldn't go longer than a week with this and make sure it is covered. But something like this, honestly, it won't last that long. In about 2 days it will be gone. I hope you like that guys, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.